Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our viewers and viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. The Visio PC cases offer extensive personalization by Colin Smith, released on 26 November 2024. Tech references chieftec.eu and kitguru.net. Chieftec has introduced the Visio series of PC cases featuring two models, the Visio and the Visio Air. Both models are designed with a dual-chamber layout which enhances cable management and supports the latest back-connect motherboards such as ASUS, BTF and MSI Project Zero. The design not only provides a cleaner aesthetic but also allows for better airflow and cooling. The Visio series support high-end components including GPUs up to 410mm in length and CPU coolers up to 175mm in height. The Visio model features tempered glass panels on the front and both side walls along with 6 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans that can be synchronized via control hub. In contrast, the Visio Air combines tempered glass with a brushed aluminum and mesh front panel and comes equipped with three pre-installed 140mm PWM fans for optimal airflow. Both models offer versatile cooling options including the mounting of 360mm radiators at the top and bottom 240mm radiators on the motherboard side and compatibility with various fan configurations. The Visio series is aimed at both first-time builders and experienced enthusiasts looking for a sleek and functional PC case. Image credits chieftec. Trend themes number 1, dual chamber layout. The adoption of a dual chamber layout in PC cases like chieftec's Visio series offers potential for innovative cable management solutions that enhance aesthetic and functionality. Number 2, tempered glass panels. Utilizing tempered glass panels in PC cases as seen in the Visio model provides a cleaner opportunities to elevate the visual appeal and customization options for gaming setups. Number 3, versatile cooling options. The versatile cooling configuration in the Visio series underscore a growing market for customizable thermal management solutions in high-performance PC cases. Industry implications number 1, gaming hardware. The gaming hardware industry can leverage the dual-chamber PC case designs to offer enhanced performance, the aesthetic benefits for gamers. Number 2, PC components. Incorporating advanced airflow and cooling options in cases like the Visio opens up new avenues for the PC components industry to support higher and the more power-hungry hardware. Number 3, tech accessories. The market for tech accessories can benefit from customizable and visual appealing PC cases addressing growing consumer demand for personalization in tech setups. Get your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.